Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to find a factorial of a number. Okay, so first I will take a variable n and take it as an input, int input, and enter n here. Okay, now I will take a variable fac equal to 1. Okay, and here I will take a for loop to calculate the for factorial for I in range, like you take the value of n to be 5. So what will be the factorial of 5? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 means we just minus 1 from every number. Okay, so I will add here from 1 to what number, to that number means n plus 1. We are going to the n number, so I will add here n plus 1. So inside for loop I will add a condition fac equal to fac into I. This fac will calculate the factorial of this n. So outside the for loop I will print factorial of n is what, comma, fsc. Okay, so let's run the code. Take the value of n to be 5, so the factorial of 5 is 120. Enter. Factorial of 5 is 120. Take 6, the factorial of 6 is I think 720. 720. Okay, take 0, the factorial of 0 is what, 1, not 0. Okay, take the n 1, so factorial is 1. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.